Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the definition of discontinuity of a function. The different functions, under what conditions they are continuous or discontinuous. Discontinuity of a function. The function fx is said to be discontinuous at a given point x equal to a if it is not continuous at a point x equal to a. The discontinuity of the function due to following reason possible. Number 1, limit extends to a plus fx and limit extends to a minus fx. Both exist but not equal. Number 2, limit extends to a minus fx and limit extends to a plus fx. Both does not exist. Number 3, limit extends to a minus fx and limit extends to a plus fx. Both exist but not equal to f of a. So these are the three possible conditions under which the given function is discontinuous at a given point. So this is all about discontinuity of a function at a given point. Thank you.